Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on iPhone dictation so the keyboard can listen. Open Settings, go to General then Keyboard, and toggle Enable Dictation on. This grants the feature. Once done, make sure microphone permission is allowed in privacy so voice input works in any app. You do this now because without dictation active, the mic icon won't appear on the keyboard, so enable it and get ready to switch to typing by voice immediately. You then use the keyboard mic to convert speech to text. Open Notes, Messages, or Mail and tap a field to reveal the keyboard. The mic icon is on the bottom row. Tap it once to start listening, speak phrases, punctuation, and short commands, and the phone transcribes in real time. When you pause, the system commits text. Tap the mic again to stop. This is faster than alternating touch and typing because it keeps your hands free. You finish by reviewing and sending the text. Tap any word to correct mistakes, or use the keyboard to insert punctuation or emojis. Once done, hit send or save. If accuracy drops, speak more slowly and use clear commands for punctuation. That helps the model parse sentences. If the mic icon is missing or nothing transcribes, reboot the phone, recheck dictation and microphone permissions, and make sure you have a network connection. Those steps resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.